Hey loves, hey, jumping right in. We're starting with parting space. Now, this is starting from the base of my neck going to the top of my head. So I'm using the metal part of my rat tail comb just to clean up that section. Then using some shine and jam to define the part, brushing it in, and then I'm going to wrap around a small black rubber band. I'm going to do it so it's taut, but not too tight so that there's not a lot of tension because we're still going to be putting that crochet needle underneath and it shouldn't be a painful process. So give yourself a little bit of space there. Then smoothing my hair from the top all the way to the tip using some of that shine and jam. And that's going to help once you start braiding in the hair, making it nice and seamless. Opening up my crochet needle, adding the hair onto the hook, and then pulling it through, making sure that it's an even length. So to start the braid, I'm splitting my natural hair in half. Then I'm adding one piece of my hair to the kinky hair and then leaving one piece of my natural hair out and just braiding down. And then I'm going to keep adding in the pieces. So I like to add mine from the back. So you're just taking your hair and adding it behind the braid and then twisting it in the opposite direction and braiding down. So as you braid, you're literally twisting your hands backwards. And that's going to lock that hair in place and also make sure it doesn't have like those big lumps to show where each section of hair was added. So you'll keep seeing my hand twisting backwards. And again, that's just blending in each additional section of hair. And kinky hair can sometimes get tangled at the bottom. So make sure as you're braiding, when you're done locking in that braid, just separate the hair at the bottom so that it doesn't have a chance to like get tangled. And now I'm just gonna let y'all watch me work. Now that the braiding part is complete, I'm just doing a once over, making sure everything looks nice and seamless. Then I'm going back in, splitting my hair in half, and then braiding it all the way to the tip so we can begin to set this style. And I also wanted my braids to be wavy. So I'm taking some boiling water and slowly, y'all, slowly dipping my hair in. I let it sit for about 2 to 3 minutes, lift my head up slowly, and then dry it. Then, once I'm done drying it with the towel, adding a lot of mousse, a lot of mousse, and smoothing it down from the crown of my head all the way to the tips of the braids. Then blow dry on medium heat for 30 to 45 minutes, or you can just leave it overnight to air dry. And these are how they are looking. Of course, grabbing some scalp oil and putting that in each section and just smoothing that in because the scalp is going to need it. Then we are playing it a little bit, just seeing how everything's going to look from the back. I'm definitely loving how that came out. I love how these parts came out. Not too big, not too small. This is the final product. Thank you so much for joining me, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye.